back to my channel. My name is Faith, and here is a channel where we make West African delicacies. Oh god, but anywho's, that's not gonna stop us from making what we're preparing today. I am super psyched up about this particular dish because, guys, as you have seen, we are preparing pasta with some sausage meatballs. Oh, let me tell you, mautam weko hapa. Anyway, with no more further ado, let's get into the recipe. And so, guys, let's introduce our ingredients. With me here I have Santa Maria pasta. This is macaroni. Then I have my tomato paste. Then I have beef cube over there. With me here I have sausage. Okay, guys, I have 6 sausages. Then I have salt. Then we have onions over here. Here are 2 cloves of garlic. I have grated 2 large tomatoes, and finally coriander. So the first thing, guys, I am going to peel the outer skin of my sausage. Just take your knife, cut this into pieces. This is beef sausage. Then we are going to peel this outer skin, so just cut your sausage like so. So after you have done this, we are just going to mash our sausage like so. Then I'm just trying to marinate and season it, mix and give it a nice flavor. So I'm going to add some onions. That's enough. Mix nicely. Then again also add some coriander. We're leaving some for the stew. Okay, and we're just also going to add some little salt. That's enough. So give this a nice mix. So if you're feeling like adding more spices, you can add any other spice. You can use paprika, black pepper, but for me this is enough. Then, guys, at this point we are now going to make the sausage balls. Here you can actually use some oil, because believe me, it's going to be sticky. So just apply some little oil like so. So we are making the sausage balls like that. Here is my end product, and let's get into the next step. So with me here I have my pasta water getting boiled, so I am going to add in sugar. I am going to add in salt and some cooking oil like so. Then add in our pasta. Enough. Guys, pasta should not cook for more than 5 minutes, believe me, because they'll break. So we're just going to give it around 4 minutes and it's going to be good. Meanwhile, let's do something here with our sausage. So the next thing, we are going to heat our pan. If you have some butter or some margarine, good for you, but I'll be using cooking oil for today. Just add in your cooking oil and spread it nicely. Then we are going to now add in our sausage balls. So let's add in our sausage balls. So guys, I am going to drain this water as well, set it aside. I have obtained my color, my golden brown, and I love it. So on to the next step. Lovely. And now on to our final step. I have actually changed my cooking pot, so we are going to add in our onions. And now let the magic begin, right? So just cook your onions to your desired liking. Next, we are going to add in our garlic. Next, I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. Then add in tomato paste, approximately 1. Next, we are going to add in 1 beef cube. I'm not going to add in salt, guys, because I added salt on my pasta, and also remember when I was trying to spice up my sausage, I added some salt, so that's enough for me. Then next we are going to add some little water because I want this paste to actually cook nicely. Then finally we are going to add our sausage balls. I love this. Let's give you a close-up view. Wow. I love this. And finally we are going to add in our pasta. So let's add in our pasta. Guys, look at that. And just mixing nicely. Wow. This is heaven. Ooh. And finally, we are going to garnish our food with some coriander. There's no better way to finish with coriander. This is heaven. And as simple as that, you get to enjoy something different, something unique, and definitely delicious. And that's it, guys, for our today's video. I hope you have loved it. I am definitely enjoying over here. This is boom. This is my cooking. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for your continued support. I'm going to subscribe. And you don't forget to do so. I just want to eat, so let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye.